I saw the Lord seated high and exalted. And he saw the angels of God seated high. Every time you seek God, every time you worship God, the glory of God is seen. His glory comes down. His presence comes down. And it is seen in your life. It is seen wherever you stay. It is also seen among his people. And the whole world sees the glory of God. Praise Jesus. And also the foundations. The foundations tremble.
When the glory of God happens to come, happens to be on your life, things cannot remain the same. Even people around you, they will tell you that you have the glory of God. You have the glory of God. I see the glory of God upon your life. I see the glory of God upon your works. Praise the Lord.
Prophet Isaiah was not there during the time that Uzziah reigned. Now he's talking about the times after the death of King Uzziah. The glory of God was still being